What's up, Birdie Bunch? I'm gonna find some long sleeve shirts, and I could maybe find a pillowcase, but the Surgeon General described how to make these masks, so I'm gonna come back and try to figure out how to do that with y'all. Alright? So, I'll be back. Alrighty, y'all. Let me see if I can do this. I don't know. I have an old pillowcase. I got 2 long sleeve shirts, so let me see. And I got some rubber bands. My mama, every time she sends us home with food, she puts rubber bands on. So thank you, Bobby. We definitely have some rubber bands. Alright, so let's see. I wish I was good at sewing. Need one time to know how to sew. This must have been when I was skinny, y'all. Woo! Birdie was skinny. Birdie need to get back skinny. And this whole situation ain't helping. I did stop myself yesterday. I didn't eat too much yesterday. I didn't eat I had a dry roll, ate half of that. I didn't eat any pizza. I said, nope, I ain't even gonna try it. I ain't even gonna try it. Maybe I'll try to do these before I try to do that pillowcase, y'all, because that's kind of, I think that was my son's pillowcase when he was a baby. So let's see. Which one should I try first? Oh gosh, I gotta try to remember how he did that. Folded it. Let me see, because I think he used a whole t-shirt. And then he put the rubber bands on the end. Whatever you do, I guess you just gotta, use it small. Something small, that'll fit around your mouth and nose. They did it like, I'm trying. I looked at that early this morning. Okay. Hold on, yo. Let me see. I might need to get on. Put this up a little bit more here. Oh, shoot. Adrian, you might have to help me. He did it by himself, but I don't know. Let me see. Oh, I got it.
That's cool.
I got it. Boogie. Look, I got it.
Oh.
Oh, yes. You want one now, don't you?
Can you breathe her right?
Yes. Definitely can breathe. That N95 one is very, very hard. Woo. To breathe. Oh my gosh. How easy was that, y'all? Let me see if I can do it again on a different color. Now, let's see. I'll use blue. She got blue rubber bands in here this time. We got How easy was that? Now, I was just kind of like the Surgeon General is teaching us how to make masks out of old stuff. Feel like arts and crafts here. Alright, y'all. Let's try it again. Ooh. I don't know, this rubber band might not be strong enough. Oh! How do you want it? Oh, yes. Oh! Yes. I love it. Okay. Alright, y'all. Well, I'll finish the rest of these. I probably won't cut up my Boogie's pillowcase because that's memories, y'all. I can't do it. He was a little itty bitty baby. She had a Barbie one and he had the Blue's Clues, I guess. And I think I got these from Kmart. I don't remember. But yes, y'all, did y'all see that? Play it back. Keep playing it back and you'll know how to make your own mask. Oh my gosh, I didn't think it was going to be that easy. And I forget things quickly these days. Alright guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I will see you guys next time. Be safe. Make your own mask if you can't find any. It's better than nothing. And the Surgeon General told you to. Alrighty, see you next time.